Hello everyone, my name is Ahana Anand of class 5E, roll number 36, and today I am showing you a science project. Topic is germination of seeds. So now let's see how I germinate seeds. So first take a wet cotton and keep it in a bowl and add some seeds of moong dal, and in second bowl add some moong dal only. In third bowl, add some moong dal and pour some water. Fill the water completely to the bowl. In the fourth bowl, take the wet cotton and keep the moong dal and add some ice cubes in this. Now keep this for 3 bowls in room temperature, and the last ice cube balls filled with ice cubes bowl, keep it in fridge. After 4 to 5 days we will again meet. After 4 to 5 days you can see in the first bowl the seeds are completely and good germinated. In second bowl nothing is happened. In third bowl the plants does not germinated, and in fourth bowl the plants don't germinate it. So now I tell you why these 3 bowls plants don't germinate. In this bowl the plant seeds don't get sufficient air and water. In third bowl the seeds don't get sufficient air. In fourth bowl these seeds don't get sufficient warmth. And in first bowl seeds get sufficient air and water, so they germinated very well. Thank you.
Good morning teachers and my dear friends. I am Shami Swasta from class 5B, and today we are going to do an exciting activity. The activity topic is plants in favorable conditions to germinate. Let's get started. So the first activity is keep seeds on moist cotton at a room temperature. So let's do it. Cotton, so the first activity is complete. So our second activity is keep seeds without water at a room temperature. So let's do it. Our second activity is completed. So our third activity is keep seeds in a dish completely filled with water at room temperature. Our third activity is complete. Keep the dish having seeds on moist cotton in an ice box or a refrigerator. So let's do it. So here we have a cotton and ice and seeds. So our fourth activity is complete. So these are the activity, and these three we have to keep at the room temperature, and this one we have to keep in the refrigerator. So let's do it. So the bowl has gone to its place. Now we will check after 3 to 4 days. So after 3 to 4 days, we got the result. The first bowl has germinated completely, and the second bowl seeds had nothing happened, and the third bowl seeds is decay, and the fourth bowl is also nothing happened. So now I will tell you why these three bowls has not germinated. So these bowl seeds does not germinate because it does not get the proper water and air, and the third bowl is not germinate because it does not get the proper air, and the fourth bowl is not germinate because it does not get both air and water. So these are the results of our activity. Thank you.
Good afternoon to everyone. I am Aditya Tapan from class 5D. Today I am here to see you my project conditions present. In this project, I will divide it 4 dishes. Dish A, B, C and D. In dish A first we will keep moist cotton and moong on it. In dish B we will keep moong and nothing. In dish C we will keep water and moong in it. In dish D first we will keep moist cotton and moong on it and keep in refrigerator. So the result was that the moong A was fully sprouted because he had water, air and warmth. The dish B was not sprouted because he had only air and warmth, not water. In dish C, the moong was half sprouted because he had only water and warmth, not air. In dish D, the moong was not sprouted because he had only air and water, not warmth. We can conclude thus the appropriate amount of water, warmth and air was necessary to germination of all the seeds. Thank you.
Hello friends, my name is Satakshi Kumari, roll number 13. The project topic is seed germination in favorable condition. We all know favorable condition for germination are appropriate amount of water, air and temperature. For this, I taken some seed of moong dal, put them equally into 4 bowls, which are labeled as A, B, C, D. Keep them 2-3 days under different conditions, which are mentioned as: in bowl A, I kept seed in moist cotton at very low room temperature. In bowl B, I kept seed in bowl without water. In bowl C, I kept seed in bowl which is completely filled with water. In bowl D, I kept seed on moist cotton at very low room temperature. After 4 days, I observed the seed present in bowl B, C, D have not germinated. The seed of bowl A have good germination. That is due to the fact that in bowl A there was appropriate amount of water, air and temperature, which has needed for good germination. Thank you.
Hi, I am Masoom Jha in class 5E. Today I am going to sow seeds. First of all, take any seeds and divided it into 4 equal parts. Now take a little box and soak the cotton and keep it at room temperature. Keep seeds without water at room temperature. Keep seeds in a dish completely filled with water of room temperature. Put some seeds and wet cotton in the fourth box and keep it in the fridge. Now we meet after 4-5 days later. So you can see them all. Seeds have already grown in first vessel. Nothing has happened in second vessel. Seeds have grown in the third vessel. In the fourth and the last vessel, the middle because ice. So this is my plant forever condition English explanation. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Shipra Soni, roll number 6, class 5B, house yellow, and my school name is DAV Public School, BCB Colony, Patna. And here I am kept 4 bowls A, B, C, D. In first bowl I kept dry moong dal. In second bowl I added water. In third bowl I kept moist cotton. And you see 4 or 5 days the moong dal changed into teeny seeds. The project was successful. Thank you.
Good afternoon, my dear friends and respective teachers. My name is Vaishnavi Prabhu from class 5D, roll number 46. Today I am going to present an activity on to study the conditions that are necessary for germination of a seed. In this activity, I had took some gram seeds. I put them separately in 4 dishes labeled as A, B, C, D. I kept them for 4 to 5 days under the conditions are as follows. In dish A, I kept seeds on moist cotton at a room temperature. In dish B, I kept seeds without water at a room temperature. In dish C, I kept seeds in a dish completely filled with water at a room temperature. In dish D, I kept the dish having seeds on moist cotton in an refrigerator. After 4-5 days, I can see that the dish B, C, D does not get germinated, but dish A is germinated. In dish B, the seeds not germinated as it not gets water and air. In dish C, the seeds not germinated because it not gets air. In dish D, the seeds not germinated as it not get warmth. In dish A, the seeds can germinated because it gets proper amount of water, air and warmth.
Start.
So in this experiment, I have learned that water, air and warmth in appropriate amount are necessary for the germination of a seed. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Hello everyone, my name is Sanskar Raj from 5D. My roll number is 12. I am going to introduce chapter 2, plants. Activity number. After 1 day, we will observe the seed present in the glass. This B, C, D have not grown. The seed of this A should be good growth. After 2 days, will be observed the seed present in the glass. This B, C, D have not grown. The seed of this A should grow good. After 3 days, will be observed that this A is good growth and that this B, C, and D is not. After 4 days, we'll observe that this A is good growth and this B, C, and D are not growth. After 5 days, we observe that this B, C, and D are not grow and this A are grow because
He absorbed the water, air and water. So we will see what happened. We will watch the result of germination experiment. So start. So in this bowl I kept moong dal seeds dish with completely filled with water. Did not germinate it. And in the second bowl I kept moong dal seeds with moist cotton. This is germinated so nicely. And in the third bowl I kept moong dal seeds with moist cotton in a refrigerator. Did not germinate it. And in the fourth bowl I kept seeds without water at room temperature. Did not germinate it. Thank you.
Mr. Raj from class 5. Today I am going to do an experiment on seed germination. So in first bowl I have taken cotton and sheets, and second bowl I have taken only sheet, and third bowl I have taken water and sheet, in fourth bowl I have taken ice cube and sheet. After some time the third bowl has germinated successfully. Thank you.
Hi, I am Masoom Jain, class 5E. Today I am going to show you seeds different conditions. First of all, take any seeds and divide it into 4 equal parts. First bowl, keep any seeds on moist cotton at room temperature. Second bowl, keep seeds without water at room temperature. Third bowl, keep seeds in a dish completely filled with water at room temperature. Fourth bowl, keep the dish having seeds on moist cotton in an ice box or refrigerator. After 4 or 5 days, we will observe that the seeds present in the dishes B, C and D have not germinate. The seeds of dish A show the good germinate. So this is my seeds different conditions explanation. Thank you.
Good morning, my name is Pratap Ram in class 5A, almost earlier. My topic name is seeds in favorable conditions to grow. I take some seeds and put them separately in 4 dishes: A, B, C and D. In this A, I keep seeds on moist cotton at room temperature. In this B, I keep seeds without water at room temperature. In this C, I keep seeds in this completely filled with water. In this D, I keep seeds on moist cotton in an ice box. After 4 or 5 days, I will observe this B, C and D have not germinated, but this A have very much good germinate. Thank you.
Hi, I am Agastya Kashyap from class 5E. Today I am going to discuss about seeds need favorable condition. In first container I had taken cotton and seeds. In second container I had taken only seeds. In third container I had taken water and seeds. I had kept all of these 3 containers at room temperature. In fourth container I had taken cotton and seeds and kept it at fridge. Now you can see that nothing happens to second and fourth container, and in first container seeds had good germination, and in third container seeds had been grown into water. This is my English explanation on seeds need favorable condition. Thank you.
I am Manav Singh from 5th class section E. Today I am going to experiment on seed germination. In first bowl, seeds with moist cotton at room temperature. In B bowl, seeds without water at room temperature. In C bowl, seeds with water at room temperature. In D bowl, seeds in ice cube in refrigerator with moist cotton. I observed that B, C D had not germinated. A is germinated.
Good morning, ma'am, and my all friends. My name is Meet Kashyap, and roll number is 11, or class 5. And today we have do exciting class activity, science class activity. Keep seed first step. Keep seed on moist cotton at room temperature. First cotton and the seeds room temperature, and first is completed. Second step, keep seed without water at room temperature. We keep seed without water at room temperature. Second step is completed. Third step, keep seed in a dish completely filled with water at room temperature. And fourth, keep the dish having seed on moist cotton in ice box or a refrigerator. And my fourth step is completed. And thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Arshit Kumar, class 5, section D, roll number 53. Today I am going to show an experiment of proper condition of seeds germination. We have taken 4 bowls, bowl A, bowl B, bowl C and bowl D. In bowl A I have put seed with moist cotton cloth. In bowl B I have put seeds without water. In bowl C I have put seed full with water. In bowl D I have put bowl in refrigerator. After 4-5 days, we see that in bowl A of seed has been germinated, but in bowl B, C, and D has not germinated because they do not get favorable condition. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Ronak Raj, roll number 8 from class 5D. Today I am going to discuss about the favorable condition for the germination of seed. I have put some seeds in 3 small glasses. I hope you will see clearly. Now I shall add some water in first glass. Now I shall water in first glass and some ice in the second one. You will see there are ice. The ice in the second one, and nothing in the third one. The first glass is filled with water. The seed of this glass is not germinated because there is one missing condition, and that condition was
air. The air was not available for it because the air not entered in water, and the seed absorbed full glass water by microfile. And glass is ice glass. This glass not germinate because there is one condition was missing, and the condition is warm because the seed put in ice glass, and ice glass put in refrigerator. There is not warmth in refrigerator. You can see the third glass with only black gram seed. The seed is not germinate because there are also one condition is missing, and the condition was water. You can see the seed was dry. Is dry. You can see the third glass with only black gram seed. The seed is not germinate because there are also one condition is missing, and the condition was water. You can see the seed was dry. Is dry.
Good morning, my name is Jai of Standard 5. I performed an experiment on the topic the seed need favorable condition to germinate. I took 4 bowls. In first bowl, I kept seed on moist cotton at room temperature. In second bowl, I kept seed without water at room temperature. In third bowl, I kept seed completely filled with water at room temperature. In fourth bowl, I kept seed on moist cotton in refrigerator. I observed that the seed present in the glass bowl B, C and D has not germinated, whereas the seed of bowl A shows good germination. It is due to the fact that in bowl A there are appropriation amount of water, air and warmth needed for germination. Thank you.
Vivekantam. I am the student of class 5E of the DAV Public School BSCV. Today I am going to present the seeds germinate in different condition that it got its favorable. The first condition is the first condition I have kept the moist cotton, and on this I keep the any seed, or the next condition I keep the seed in the dry utensil. Next condition I keep the seed in the water, and the next condition I keep the seed on the moist cotton in the refrigerator. The first condition is able to germinate because it got its favorable condition, that is warmth, water and the air. Next condition also not get germinated because it do not get its favorable condition, that is water, but get the favorable condition, that is the air and the temperature, warmth. The third condition is also not get germinated because it do not get the its favorable condition, that is the it do not get the air but get that warmth and the water. The fourth is not germinated because it do not get its favorable condition, that is not get temperature but get the water and the air.
Hello everyone, my name is Riddhiman of class 5E. Today I am going to show you how plants germinate in different ways. Here I have 4 bowls. In first bowl I have moist cotton with seeds. In second bowl I have only seeds. In third bowl I have seeds with water, and in fourth bowl I have seeds with moist cotton and ice cubes. After 1 or 2 days, you can see that in first bowl we have seed in first bowl has germinated. In second bowl it do not get germinated because it did not get sufficient water. In third bowl it do not get germinated because it do not get sufficient air. In fourth bowl it do not get germinated because it do not get sufficient warmth. This way we observe that for germination of seeds it needs enough air, water and proper temperature. Thank you.
Hey everyone, I am Yeshika from class 5D. Today I am going to tell about stage of germination. First, I have taken cotton and moist it with water. And then keep in the bowl. And I have some seeds and keeping it in the bowl. After 4 to 5 days, we can observe that the seed is turned into seedling. Thank you. Now we can see that after 4 to 5 days, the seed is turned into seedling. Thank you. Hello everyone, I am Mr. Raj of class 5D, roll number 10. Today I am going to present in activity on to study the condition necessary for germination of seed. In this activity, I took some gram seed and moong seed. I put separately for 4 dishes and labeled A, B, C, D and keep them for 4 to 5 days and the condition follow. Firstly, A. Keep seed on moist cotton at room temperature. B. Keep seed without water at room temperature. C. Keep seed in dish completely filled with water at room temperature. D. Keep the dish having on moist cotton in an ice box or a refrigerator. After 4-5 days, I will observe that the seed present in the glass dishes B, C and D have not germinated. The seed of this are so good germination. It is due to the fact that in this A there is appropriate amount of water, air and warmth needed for germination. In the other glass dishes, one or other of these favorable condition is missing. Thank you.
Good morning. I am Mohit Ranjan, class 5D, roll number 1. First, keep seeds and moist cotton and room temperature. Second, keep seeds without water at room temperature. Third, keep seeds in a dish completely filled with water at room temperature. Fourth, keep the dish having seeds on moist common in an ice box of a refrigerator. Thank you.
Good morning, ma'am. My name is Adishmani. I study in class 5E. Today I am going to show an experiment regarding the conditions that are necessary for germination of a seed. I have taken some seeds of gram and put them separately in 4 balls labeled as A, B, C and D and kept them for 4 to 5 days under the condition. In A ball, I kept seeds on moist cotton at room temperature. In B ball, seeds without water at room temperature. In C ball, seeds in a bowl completely filled with water at room temperature, and in D bowl, seeds on moist cotton in a refrigerator. After 4 to 5 days, I observed that the seeds present in the bowl B, C and D have not germinated, and the seed of A so good germinate. It is due to the fact that in this there is appropriate amount of water, air and warmth needed for germination. In the other bowl, one or other of these favorable condition is missing. Thank you, ma'am.
Good morning everyone, my name is Aditi Kumari. I am studying in class 5E. Today I am going to show you how plants germinate in different ways. In first bowl, I keep seeds on moist cotton at room temperature. In second bowl, I keep seed without water at room temperature. In third bowl, I keep seeds in a dish completely filled water at room temperature. In fourth bowl, I keep the dish having seeds on moist cotton in an ice box. Seeds in first bowl has germinated because it get her favorable condition, that is water, air, warmth. In second bowl, it do not get germinated because it do not get her favorable condition, that is water. In third bowl, it do not get germinated because it do not get her favorable condition, that is air. In fourth bowl, it do not get germinated because it do not get her favorable condition, that is warmth. Thank you.
Hello friends, I am Ritu Raj. I am a student of 5E. Today I am presenting Saflin. Keep almost cotton at room temperature. Keep seed without water at room temperature. Keep seed in a dish completely filled with water at room temperature. Keep the dish having seed on most cotton in an ice box or a refrigerator.